What's up guys? Today I'm gonna show you how to transfer your files from your Samsung phone to your MacBook or iMac. So yeah, watch how I'm doing it. First of all guys, I was looking for this option for a long time. So when I finally found it, I thought, you know what, I'm gonna show you how I'm doing it. So I'm basically using the Android file transfer. Before you're gonna say no, just hear me out because this app didn't work, but right now, as in September 5 September 2019, it is actually working. So let me show you how to transfer your files from your phone, your Samsung phone, to your MacBook. So guys, to start off, you first of all go to android.com/file transfer, right? So basically, I'm in the Netherlands, so what you see is Dutch text, but your language is gonna be in like English or whatever. You're gonna download it. It supports Mac OS 10 or higher. Guys, I have the newest iMac, so I have the newest update Mac OS. It's 10.14, so this one is the highest. And I also have a Samsung phone. It's the Samsung Galaxy S8, so I have this phone. S8. Guys, I'm not gonna waste too much of your time, but I just wanna make sure that you know what kind of devices I'm using. In case you get some errors, you can contact me in the description below. So I got uh, Samsung Galaxy S8. So I got this phone, right? Galaxy S8. Man, I really hate the website of Samsung, but whatever. Um, oh, it got a SD card. So I got this phone also with the newest updates. So guys, what you do is you click on the download now, right? So because I already have downloaded, um, I you know what? I'm gonna download it again. So you click on download now, so it's gonna download for you. Click on show finder. Go to the finder. Um, I this because I already downloaded, it's gonna show the second file, but you're gonna see Android file transfer.dmg. Just double click on it, guys. You know how to install application. So when this one pop-ups, you just drag this to here. You know what? I'm gonna just install it again. So I'm gonna drag it to the applications folder. Because I've already downloaded it, it's gonna ask me to replace, stop, or keep both. You know what? For this tutorial sake, I'm gonna click on replace. So guys, I was looking for this option for a long time because I also like to record on my phone and just upload on YouTube because I run some businesses and I'm in the IT. So I really wanted to upload my phone videos to YouTube, and I couldn't find a good way. But this way works like the best. So alright, so I've dragged it to my applications folder. So I'm gonna go to the applications folder, guys, and look for Android file transfer. Just double click on it. I'm gonna open it and just wait. No Android device found. Guys, because I've already installed this application, your MacBook may ask for some permissions. You just gotta give it the permissions. So no Android device found because I haven't connected my Samsung S8. So right now you can't see this, but I'm gonna connect my Samsung Galaxy S8. So let me get the phone. All right, and I'm just connecting it with the USB-C. So the USB-C is connected on my phone and on the MacBook. So now I've connected it. So let's wait. Let's see what happens. Okay, look, can't access device storage. Make sure that your device is unlocked and file transfer or MTP mode is selected, right? Guys, so in the settings of your phone, you have to put this straight. So right now my Samsung phone is asking for access. So where your phone is connected, just check your phone. It's going to ask you for access. It's going to ask you by itself. You don't have to do anything. I'm just going to click on agree. So I just clicked agree, and now I'm gonna click OK here. And if all goes well, I must see my phone's folders. So nothing's happening. Why is nothing happening? All right, just 1 second, guys. This was working 1 minute ago, but just gotta have some patience. So I'm gonna double click on it again. Still nothing happening. Wait. Look, guys, I didn't do anything. I was just waiting, so I haven't done anything on my phone. So yeah, guys, so this is my phone actually. These are the images of my camera, Facebook. I have a map with vlog, which because I sometimes vlog my business or my IT tutorials. But yeah, this is how you do it. So you just open the camera. Let's say you just get one picture and just drag it, to any folder or just to your desktop, and there it is. And guys, this is really quickly. This goes like it's way quicker than uploading on Google Drive or using WeTransfer or whatever. Also, guys, I prefer this Android file transfer way more than a smart switch. This is also another thing of Samsung, but I've tried this like 1 hour ago, but it didn't work for me. The smart switch, yeah, it's so complicated. So yeah, guys, that is how you transfer your files from your Samsung phone to your iMac or MacBook. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you learned something. If you like IT, I'm gonna drop some IT tutorials because I'm a lead web developer. I'm also gonna teach people how to. Yeah, I think I'm gonna teach you a lot of things that I know. I also got a perfume business, which is making me good money. So if you like business or like IT, just click on the subscribe button below. And guys, I would really appreciate that. But yeah, for now, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Adios.